Good morning, class 4. So, children, we have just ended up our chapter number 6, and now in this class, we are going to start new chapter, new topic, that is about plants adaptation. We have studied how animals and plants adapt to their surrounding, but now in this chapter we are going to study in detail about the plants only, how they adapt. So let us see. Today is 22nd of September, Tuesday. We are following day 2. Open up your book, page number 60. Let us read all the content and then I'll explain you. So let's get started. In this chapter, we are going to learn about terrestrial plants, aquatic plant, carnivorous plant, and non-green plants. We will study all the type of plants and their adaptation to the region where they are, and we will study about the nature, about the new we can say evolution of them according to their region, and we have studied about them in short in the previous chapter. So let us start. Adaptations are specific features that allow a plant or animal to live in a particular place or habitat. Yes, what are adaptation? Adaptations are the specific feature, the special features, the special characteristics that allow a plant or an animal to live in a particular place or habitat. That means in cold region, the features of the plants will different from the plants which grow in desert and hot region. So this is the, we can say, the difference between the plants of how they adapt to their surrounding. Plants grow everywhere, be it plains, in water bodies, deserts, hills, or snow covered mountain regions. That means they are telling you that plants are grown everywhere, and whether it is plain region, water bodies, deserts, hills, or snow covered mountain region. And depending on where they grow, plant can be categorized under different groups. Let us read more about these group and classification in this lesson. See, the image of terrestrial plant is given and we will study it on page number 61. Terrestrial plants. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. So children, you have to remember that the plants which grow on land, they are called terrestrial plants. The term comes from the word terra. This terrestrial term came from the word terra, and terra means land. So that is why we call the plant which grow on land as terrestrial plants, and they can be further categorized into the following groups. They are categorized into the following group because land is everywhere, and depending upon the condition of the land, they have been categorized into the following types. Let us see what are they. Plants in plains. Trees growing in plains have more space to spread out and grow. They have flat leaves. These help water vapor to evaporate and keep the tree cool when the climate is hot. Flat leaves also help to trap a lot of sunlight. The plants, the trees growing in plains, they have very much space to spread and grow, and they have, the feature is they have flat leaves. These flat leaves help water vapor to evaporate and keep the tree cool when the climate is very hot. Flat leaves also help to trap a lot of sunlight. These type of leaves in them helps to trap a lot of sunlight, and there are many trees given like neem, gulmohar, peepal, and sal. Trees such as peepal, mulberry, neem, gulmohar, sal, poplar, and shisham lose all their leaves at once. Yes, you have seen it. I think you all have seen it, that in some seasonally they shed all the leaves at once, and as spring approaches, new leaves start growing. I will tell you that Generally in autumn season, these trees lose their leaves, and when the spring season arrives, the new leaves start to grow in them. In some areas of the plains, the climate is wet and hot. Here, the trees do not shed all their leaves at once. In some areas of plain where the climate is wet and hot, there the trees do not shed their leaves at once. Evergreen trees, there are evergreen trees also, like teak and coconut, grow in such area. They do not shed their leaves at once. Evergreen trees such as in some areas of the plain, it rains all through the year and plants grow all the time. In some areas of plain, many regions are there where there is all through rainy season all through the year, so there the plant grows all the time. The plains in such places have turned into dense green forest with tall trees. Yes, as we all know that if there is rain for throughout the year, so obviously the trees will be taller, the forest will be very thick and green. So this is the differentiation, we can say, from region to region in the areas of plain. Climbers and creepers are also found in such places. Yes, many climber plants and creepers are also found in such places. Smaller plants such as sugarcane, cotton, cashew nut and pepper are also found in these areas. Many other plants also grow in plains such as cereals, fruits, vegetables and other crops. Then come to the desert plants. I hope this is clear to you all that